Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air3 Pro headphones, and today I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset on them. Let's get started. First we have to insert our headphones back in the case. 1 and 2. Now with our case open, we have to push this button over there, that is located there, for at least 15 seconds. 1. As you can see, our LED light is flashing red, so we have to now close the lid and click in the info and forget device. Now we have to forget device. Now we have to open our case lid, and they are now in pairing mode. If they are not, we just have to push this button over there for at least 2 seconds. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.